Hi, today we're gonna look on how to set up a screen shake. So I have a project here. I have a floor and a box, just simple things, and a main camera. So what we want to do is add a script to our camera. So add component. We can call this camera shake. Okay, so open this up. Okay, so the first thing we need is the camera. So say camera, name it whatever you want. I name it cam. Then we want to make this a serialized field. Okay, we need a float. So float, shake duration, call this shake dur. Set this to 0. Then we want to make 2 more, and we want the magnitude. Float, shake magnitude. Can set this up like this for now, and damping speed. So damping speed. Set this to this needs to be a float as well. And then we want to store an initial position of the game object. So you can store this in a vector 3. Then we want a awake function. So we can say cam get component camera. Then we want an enable. So void on enable initial pos here. This will be equal to transform plus local position. So in the update you can say if shake dur is more than 0, okay, so our local position is equal to our first position or previous plus, if you don't know this returns a random point inside a sphere, and this multiply with our shake mag. We want the shake dur minus equals time dot delta time, and then we want to multiply this by our damping speed. So else shake dur equals 0, and transform dot local scale equal our previous position. So we want to make a shake function as well. Public, because we want to be able to use this in other scripts. So public void shake, and set the shake dur to 0.1 f. And for now we can just test this. So we say if input get mouse button 0, the left mouse button, we can shake. Shake. Okay, save this and we can go back and test this out. Play. You can see it's very shaky. And if you want to set this down, you can just change here and test out what's working for you. So you can see the difference here. it's much less shake. And if you want to access this not just with your mouse, you can just delete this. If you want to access this in other script, I will walk you through that now. So what we can do here is we say public static camera shake instance, and in awake here we say instance equals this. So whenever you have, I will make another script here, save that. If you create, say it's your player controller, open this up. So after you have on trigger enter, you can now we don't have an on trigger enter, but if you have an on trigger enter, the way to do this is if we say an enemy other.compare tag, and the tag is enemy, you can just say camera shake dot instance dot shake. So when you hit the enemy, it will shake. So that's this here was the thing I set up here and here, so you can access the public things easily. So if you like this, consider to subscribe and please leave a like. Thank you for watching. Bye.